Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today I am doing the first video of my renovation series. We're starting to do some home improvements and I'm going to document all the changes I make, so I hope you'll join me and follow along. All of the items I talked about today will be listed in the description bar if you want to shop them. So this bathroom needed some help. I started off with the intention of just painting this cabinet, and then I started to think, well, I need a new faucet. So I recruited my brother to help. We replaced that first, and that really kind of springboarded this whole renovation. So I started by priming the cabinet. I used a Valspar primer, and I sanded the cabinet briefly before I started to prime it just to help it stick a little bit better. And then I started to think that all of the chrome fixtures needed to go. So I took all of those off and I actually ended up spray painting them black. And that was a really inexpensive way, just a $5 can of spray paint, and it made a huge difference. And I also decided to take the flush on the toilet off and spray paint that as well. So that came out really easy. I used this fan vent, and that's what I sprayed it on outside. For the cabinet paint, I went with the color hale-navy. Because everything is closed right now, I had to get a Valspar equivalent, so they just color matched it. But it came out really close to what the original color is, and I was really happy with it. Obviously, whenever you're painting cabinetry, it can end up getting pretty streaky, and after the first coat, I noticed that, so I started to use this brush on all the straight planes, and that really kind of helped to polish it a little bit more and make it feel more finished. So next up, I painted the trim. I did that off camera. And then we purchased a new light fixture. So to tie in all of the black, I ordered a black one. Obviously, we needed a new fixture. 2 of the lights were actually stuck in the light fixture, so we could never put replacement bulbs in there. Ryan, my brother, never likes to follow directions, but he ended up doing a perfect job, and I absolutely love this light fixture. It's modern, it's cool, and it's very bright, and I can actually see in here now. Originally, we had these gross blinds on these windows, so I decided to take the same fabric as my shower curtain. I bought 2, and I made a curtain out of that. And then I just put a suspension rod across the top, and it ended up coming out really, really cute. I bought little clip rings, and it was a super simple DIY project that I'm really happy with. Next, I replaced the shower curtain. We had this one for years and years and years, and it really needed an upgrade, so it looks a lot better now. And then the fun part, adding all of the new accessories. I mostly bought everything from Target. I lucked out. Some of the artwork I had in there, I swapped the mat around on this painting, and it was actually black on the back. And then I started to decorate this vanity top. I used a Mr. Clean eraser just to give it a little more life and polish it up a bit. It was looking a little dingy, and that worked like magic. And then I bought these really cute towels from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection by Magnolia. Lady. Hi, Annie. Hi. I put this shelf I bought for $15 at Target behind the toilet and hung some new artwork. I needed some color in there, so I thought this painting would be great. And then I just added a few little accessories, a jar to put my Q-tips in, a faux plant, and of course, a candle. I thought it turned out really nice. I love the wood accents, and the colors are really nice and bright, a nice pop of color in there. I got this awesome rug and a wire basket, and I picked up these towels. They're an off-white color, which I really liked because it warms up everything. The trim color is very white, but the toilet we have is off-white, so this ties it in. Along with this wicker basket, and then a little basket to put toilet paper rolls in. And this is the final result. I am so happy with how it came out. Eventually, I think I'm going to put a nice trim edge around the mirror, but for now, what an amazing transformation. I couldn't be happier with the paint, and I loved it. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.